correspondent Gio from Philippine News, Texas. I have a guest here, Miss Esterlita Racker. Esterlita Racker, licensed massage therapy from Accent Reflexology Center. She is also licensed in Canada. Esterlita, introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Esterlita Sinaonon Racker kasi nag-asawa na ako. So, please
What is your place in the Canada? Your massage therapy, right? Canada?
yeah, massage therapy ako sa Canada pero graduate from AXIM. One of my teacher is Sir Giovanni Garcia. So he is the number one good teacher in AXIM. So now he's successful. He's now in USA, Texas, right?
Yeah.
So now he's the number one again in the whole world. So congratulations, Sergio. And thank you for sharing your profession and your opportunity for everybody. So hopefully I can attend your
World Massage Competition.
massage competition in the Philippines.
In the Philippines, with Maria Malaka.
Oh, okay.
Judges. Okay, from Germany. So, anong message mo sa mga massage therapists natin? Yeah.
So I'm happy for your organization and your association, right? So
Yeah.
I hope you are always sharing your opportunity to everybody, the therapy all over the world. So I am the one from Canada, Quebec City.
So, what is the name of your clinic in Canada? What is the name of your clinic in Canada?
It's a
Promote your
friend's name.
business.
It's a friend's name. Sancti Esterlita Sinaonon. Just wait, Sergio. I have my. I think I have my one.
Pakita mo yung show it para makita ng mga tao. Naka-live ka, live yan, live.
This is the calling card I have.
Take the exit off.
But all is friends because I am in the French language. So this is my I'm doing here in Canada. I fix the problem like you.
Okay.
So
Take the ramp. Then.
but I have a lot of client in USA, Sir Giovanni. You know that the one biggest before the president of US